This is a website called Codeacademy, and it's my number one recommendation to anyone interested in learning how to do computer programming. It has all the basics of programming languages that are available, and it's free to sign up. You can sign up using Google or Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you what's on the inside. So after you sign up for a free account, you'll be taken to a homepage. It might be similar to this, but what this page shows is your progress for all the courses that you've taken. It shows like this, about 69% through, and when you complete a course, it'll go ahead and show all the courses that you've gone ahead and finished. So it's really cool. Just watch your progress, see where you're at in that course. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the catalog where it shows all the different programming languages that they teach and other courses. Like right here, it'll teach you if you're interested in making a website. I've taken it. It's a pretty basic course. It's mostly HTML and CSS, and they also have the interactive website, which covers a little more JavaScript into it. So yeah, there's different languages. If you're a beginner, this website's perfect. I've been to a couple other websites, but none of them have been as detailed as this. Yeah, some of these courses are really in depth. Some of them take up to like 12 hours just to complete. So even though they're free, it's really just quality content that you can learn a lot from. Even if you're an intermediate, then yeah, there's different languages that you might not be as familiar with. So it's really good to check out some of the free courses, so you know if you enjoy that sort of programming language before you go ahead onto the next level, maybe take some more advanced courses. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside of some of these courses. So if you're a beginner, I suggest that you start with the HTML and CSS, just because that's the foundation of pretty much all programming language. And if you do like WordPress or something like that, you can understand kind of how the programming works, and gives you a little bit more flexibility. So something happens with your theme, then you can go ahead and mess around with it a little bit and kind of know what's going on. So it just gives you a little bit more freedom. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what's on the inside of these courses. So this, when you click on it, it'll show you these different units, which is like the sections that they break it into. And they have projects that you can pay for. I think the subscription for this website's like $20 a month, and they offer these projects, which gives you just a little bit more knowledge, so you know how to do certain things that it's a little bit more advanced. So I suggest that you take all the free courses first, just so you know how to do everything. And this is a monthly service if you do decide to pay. So yeah, I recommend you just do all the free things first, just to save yourself some money if you decide to go further, or if you decide to take any other courses. But I'm going to click on this and show you what's on the inside. So this is kind of like a step-by-step process where they give you the explanation of what you're doing, and it's pretty simple. For the most part, it's pretty easy to understand. You might have to read over it a couple times if you're brand new to all this. And they give you instructions that you need to complete, in order to move on to the next lesson. So if you get stuck, they have hints that you could click, helps you out. And yeah, so they have a screen over here that shows everything that you're typing in, so it's almost as if you're actually programming, which is really useful. Can't really learn programming without actually implementing what you're learning. So you can actually see what's on the screen whenever you're typing things in. Yeah, so when you're finished with the lesson and you've done what they said, you could go ahead and go on to the next lesson. And pretty much all the lessons are like that. And you can watch, there's a whole list of everything that you can learn. And they give you the check mark when you moved on. And yeah, when you're finished, it shows you everything that you've done to build your own website. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, you could even play around with it. They save some of your projects, so yeah, it's really fun. But yeah, this is the Codeacademy website. It's probably the best website that's free to use if you're interested in learning how to program and learn all these programming languages. You could go ahead and it would take you a while to finish all of these courses. Again, some of them are pretty long, so yeah, go ahead, feel free to check it out and sign up. It's completely free. And yeah, this is my recommendation if you're a complete beginner, or if you're know how to program but you want to dabble in some other languages first before moving on to a more advanced course or program. So yeah, thank you for watching.